right, guys, I want to go over a couple more definitions for you here in our circles unit. So let me draw a circle. Good enough, all right. And let's see, we have a central angle. So first off, any circle, you always want to probably have a center. So let's put the center in here, see if I can do it pretty good. Let's call this one A, just keep it nice and simple. All right, call that A. So a central angle is an angle that basically contains two radii, or radiuses, radii. All right, so it's gonna go from our center out in two spots, and this right here is the central angle, right? This angle, maybe I'll call this, I don't know, X and Y. Okay, so angle XAY, I'll put example over here. Example, angle XAY is a central angle, right? Fair enough. A minor arc, let's put a couple other points on here. Let's see, let's go maybe a W, a Z, and a V. Let's see. I'll put one maybe that connects right here too. Let's call this V maybe. There we go. V and Q. Sure, why not? All right, a couple other points on there. Now, a minor arc is an arc, right, that is less than 180 degrees. So if you think of maybe XV as being a diameter, well, a diameter, that's a straight line, that's 180 degrees. Less than that, so maybe ZWX would be a minor arc. That's less than 180, or even ZW. Okay, so I'm going to put an example here and say arc ZW would be a minor arc. A major arc, you could probably guess, is one that is greater than 180 degrees. So let's say maybe I want ZXQ. All right, so just everything except for this little piece of the arc of the circle, that's going to be my major arc. So I can say arc, what I say, ZWQ. Okay, and one way you can denote these is a minor arc uses just two of those points, right? So we have a Z and a W, just two. A major arc uses three, ZWQ, right? Use 3 points. And it's important that you do that because sometimes you can end up going the wrong way around the circle. So if you start with the Z and then go to the W and then keep going that same way, in this case we're going clockwise, you'll end up with the Q, and it's talking about this portion, okay? Not that, this. The last thing is a semicircle. A semicircle is just half. So again, this usually uses a diameter, and a semicircle also uses three points. So I could say VZX. VZX would be this semicircle. It's just half of it. You could use other letters too. If I did VWX, that means the exact same thing. Those two are equal. But they're talking about the exact same portion. If I wanted to go the other way, I could say, this semicircle would be VQX, maybe. VQX, arc VQX would be that semicircle. Okay, so 4 more definitions for you. Be sure you know those.